Please welcome Kalisan. Let us applause. Chief man will welcome Kalisan and set with their plan.
It's in our houses, it's in our localities, it's in our towns, it's in our country. It's no longer a global problem, right? We're right there. Sorry about this. I don't want to bore you with sustainable development, but this was the last minute thing. But I want you, sorry. Yeah. Can you recognize this?
It should be around 40% regarding biodiversity. But if you look at areas where there is less of biodiversity, awareness is.
स्नैक्स का किसी को कोई है जरूरत तो देयर नंबर्स आर अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर इन फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वेबसाइट वगैरह पे.
Southern America. Those ones are quite huge, quite long. Okay, there are 3 boas as well. In India, we find these 3 boas. One is the common sand boa, one is the red sand boa, and third one is the Whitaker's boa, which also looks like common sand boa. What do they eat? Rats and all these things. What is the myth of behind this snake is, the snake will not bite. 25 to 30,000 people are dying because of Gazazypur. Wrong handling, wrong stepping of snakes in the field. Lot of it with shoes and have proper lights with you guys. And whenever you hear a whistle sound, make sure there's a snake somewhere around. It's not a biryani, it's getting cooked. Fine. Next we'll come to the. Then we'll come talk about 2 main snakes. One is the common krait, one of the big 4 venomous snake, and if you guys can see, it has a spectacle mark on its hood. Can you see? Yeah. It has a hood. Also, what it is doing? It's hissing. 2. There's another warning mechanism which it gives. It's called mock bite or it's mock trap. Now it's not sure if it's been interested to do so. I don't want to harm stress the animal. So it also does a mock bite with where the venom is. It's not
meditation tomorrow morning 6 to 7. So this will
presently they have gone. So most of the bats, they emerge around 6:30 wherever you go in throughout India, in their surroundings. So they have evolved echolocation, wherein you transmit signals and then it hits the object, whatever object, whether it's a tree, it's a human, it's an insect, whatever. It hits that object and then immediately it bounces back and then this bat, processes it within milliseconds in its brain and then decides whether it's an object that I have to avoid or whether it's an insect which I have to go behind and then try to touch it. So all that processing is happening while it's flying. And the moment it detects the insect, it keeps on calling repeatedly, like the way it catches, and then it puts it in its mouth, with its mouth it eats that. Or sometimes there is a tail membrane between. Because they look very, very close. Okay. It's just that we are not aware now. We feel very scared. Oh my God, that बालों में आ जाएंगे, आँख में आएंगे, कान के अंदर घुस जाएंगे.
Energy centers. But energy centers in fact are infinite in the body. There are so many. So Chinese which are short there is other system which talk about more energy. Energy centers are infinite in the body. And 7 are being made famous because of our systems coming down and it is distilled. to the mind region and beyond, things get more subtler and subtler and subtler. Okay, there is somebody asked, how do you identify somebody who is spiritual? India में इतने सारे लोग हैं जो yoga करते हैं, they can bend over backwards and touch their head to their toes, all that. Is that spirituality? No. So what is the identification of a spiritual person? I read somewhere that 4 C's. Okay, you have to be compassionate, you have to be courageous, you have to be content within yourself, and you have one more, fourth C. क्या है? Calmness. ये ब्लू यार इतना वो नहीं बना पाएगा।
इससे हम ट्रेवल करेंगे 5 किलोमीटर में घूमने के लिए, तो ये पूरा है ही हमारे पास। अच्छा, लैब है हमारे पास, एक रिसर्च लैब है, एक पार्क है, एक हमारे पास ये बायोडायवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन जिसमें एक रिसाइकलिंग प्लांट है हमारे पास, घर भी है हमारे पास रहने को। 5 किलोमीटर में जितना हो सके वो सब कवर करने की कोशिश है, और जितने इम्पोर्टेंट
compressed air, hydroponics or aeroponics, seeds, pollinators, types. That's fine.
साइड में और अलग से एक साइड में ऐसे थोड़ा हमको कि गवर्नमेंट
इसके वजह से आप क्या कर रहे
तो
whole time he only listened to what we have to say. He didn't speak. He didn't say, I'm going to do this, I have done this for you. Nothing. He just said, I'm here to listen. You guys are the leaders. I'm here to listen and learn from you. His exact words. Again, this guy is like in the highest position for all of you. Right? People are willing to listen. Now, it's about how.
What we are going to? Forest. Actually, most of them know about the forest types. How many forest types we have in the India based on the rainfall? We have like 7 forests are there. The rainforest is the different. What is the rainforest? See, in India we have like from evergreen forest to desert. Based on the rainfall, we have 7 different types of forests are there. The rainforests are like only patches are there in India, like Western Ghats area, Eastern Himalaya, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. We have like patches of rainforests are there. See, this is a semi-arid land. Deccan Plateau is the Deccan Plateau area, semi-arid land. What is the semi-arid land rainfall? Interesting story I am going to tell you. Someone already told the name, Arjuna tree. Okay, how this plant is got name Arjuna? Anyone have any idea? If you don't know, I will tell, no problem. See, actually,
it's water. Okay.
All of them heard about Mahabharata, right? Yes. All serials.
నెత్తురు మంటే శక్తులు నిండే సైనికులారా రారండి హరం హరం హర 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 హరం హరాని కదలండి హరం హరం హర 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 హరం హరాని కదలండి హరం హరం హర 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 హరం హరాని కదలండి మరో ప్రపంచం మహాప్రపంచం ధరిత్రి నిండా నిండింది పదండి ముందుకు పదండి రోజుకు ప్రభంజనం వలె కోరెంతండి భావ వేగమును ప్రవరించండి వర్షగభ్రముల ప్రళయ ఘోషగల పెలగల 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 విరుచుకు పదండి 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 ముందుకు కనపడలేదా మరో ప్రపంచపు కనకనమంటే త్రేతాగ్ని
in our villages tomorrow.
So then Satyam steps in and says, what's the point of keeping it? It's not like trees matter anymore.
Dadi said, people like Gaura Devi fought to save the trees, just like you must fight today.
Do you really hug trees? Really? That sounds...
Scene 3. The second story belongs to the Bishnoi's community sacrifice. In 1730, Amrita Devi and three
resilience and unique qualities its production.
So our group, Sanjeevni, under the mentorship of Dr. Nilima Jain ma'am, will try to reflect one of the success stories on millet production through a play.
Women farmers struggled with poor crop yields.
Chemical farming had degraded their soil and their livelihoods were at risk.
And income as well.
But we don't know if we can sell them.
What if no one wants to buy millets?
Yeah, even we can introduce millets into urban market as well, right?
Forestry, polluting the water and endangering the species.
Defense.
Your Honor, humans are not the villains here. We need resources to survive, but we are also making efforts to conserve the nature. Progress and preservation can coexist.
Very well. Let's proceed with the witness testimonies now.
Thank you. So with your permission, Your Honor, I want to call my first witness, Hill Mena, which is a bird species, come to the witness board.
मैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्ट 2002 पे हाथ रख के कहती हूँ कि मैं जो कहूँगी सच कहूँगी, सच किया कुछ नहीं कहूँगी। Your Honor, I am here as a witness, not just for myself, but for all those who can call this jungle as their home. I am a hill Mena. Your Honor, I have seen fallen trees, not because of storms, but because of these two-legged destroyers, the humans. They are destroying my home, my food, and in the name of their progress, as well as they are destroying all the nature in the name of their progress. इससे इनका मन नहीं भरा, तो इन्होंने अब क्या किया है कि मुझे पिंजरे में कैद करके मेरा फ्रीडम भी छीन लिया है, just for their recreational purpose. My Lord, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि अभी मैं IUCN की कैटेगरी में लीस्ट कंसर्न स्पीसीज हूँ, लेकिन वो दिन दूर नहीं है कि इनके कारण मैं एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज बन जाऊंगी और उसके बाद एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाऊंगी। फिर यही ह्यूमंस अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को मेरी फोटो दिखा के कहेंगे कि ये हिल मेना थी जो हमारी भी मिमिक्री कर सकती थी। योर ऑनर, इसी के साथ मैं कुछ लाइन कहना चाहती हूँ कि पेड़ों की शाखें सूनी क्यों हैं, कल कल बहती नदियां मौन क्यों हैं। चहक मेरी गीत बनी थी, आज वही करुण पुकार बनी है। क्यों काटे तुमने वो जंगल जहां मेरी दुनिया सजी थी। कौन सुनेगा मेरी पीड़ा, क्या न्यायालय का पलड़ा भी झुक चुका है। इन मनुष्यों के स्वार्थ की आंधी में क्या प्रकृति का सपना रुक चुका है। योर ऑनर, मैं यहाँ ज्यादा ही उम्मीद लेकर तो नहीं आई हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये आशा करती हूँ कि आप हमारी नेचुरल हैबिटेट को सेव करेंगे इन डिस्ट्रॉयर से और हमें भी इस प्रकृति में जीने के लिए अवसर प्रदान करेंगे।
Thank you, Himana. With your permission, Your Honor, I have another witness that it is elephant. Come into the witness board.
So, Miss Elephant, please proceed.
मैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी एक्ट 2002 पे हाथ रख के कसम खाती हूँ कि मैं जो कहूँगी सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगी। My Lord, I am an elephant. I came here to give the testimony in behalf of all my friends. My Lord, when there are no forests, where we will go? Before we were called the king of forests, but now we are helpless. You are destroying our homes in the name of development. Trees are cut down for making roads, railway tracks and buildings, and then you talk about conservation. You prioritize industrialization and infrastructure, but you are forgetting that without forests, there will be no oxygen, no water, no life. We just want our forests back, that's all. Let us live and nature will thrive too. Please give us justice.
Thank you, Elephant. Your Honor, I have another witness also, that is fish. Come into the witness board.
Your Honor, I speak not just for myself, but for all aquatic life struggling to survive.
our rivers and oceans, once clean and full of life, are now choked with plastics and chemicals and waste.
Can you elaborate on how this pollution affects you?
Yes, human dump plastic, oil and chemical into our water bodies. Our rivers, our oceans are now becoming toxic. My plant is perishing, and soon there will be no fishes left to swim.
Thank you, Fish.
So, prosecutor, your witnesses have been recorded. Now you ask the defense to go on with her witnesses, please.
Much obliged, Your Honor. For my witness, I will call upon the industrialist. Please come to the witness box.
मैं जो भी कहूंगी सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं कहूंगी. My lord, money is important. All you know, money can buy anything we want. We know we are creating waste that is polluting water, but we create jobs, products that human needs. We are adopting cleaner technologies and reducing emissions. Till then, there can be some losses, but what we can do for this?
Your Honor, I want to cross-examine the industrialist. Please come into the board.
Yes, please.
If you truly care, why are forests still being cleared for factories? Why do your industries still pollute the air and water?
अरे कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी लाने के लिए टाइम तो लगता है ना, और इन्वेस्टमेंट भी लगती है. क्या आप हमें प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो इन्वेस्टमेंट? और हम जिन लोगों को रोजगार देते हैं और उनका रोजगार छिन जाएगा, वो लोग क्या करेंगे? वो भी तो भूखे मरेंगे ना. इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
Defense lawyer.
With your permission, my lord, I will call upon the next witness, a farmer.
नमस्ते साहब, मैं इस जैव विविधता अधिनियम 2002 के ऊपर हाथ रख के ये बोलता हूँ कि मैं जो भी कहूँगा, सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. नमस्ते साहब, मैं एक साधारण सा किसान हूँ और मैंने बैंक से 10,000 का कर्जा उठा के अपना खेती किया था, लेकिन रातों रात ही ये हाथियों के झुंड ने आके मेरा पूरा खेत बर्बाद कर दिया. अब मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. मेरे बच्चों को खिलाने तक की क्षमता तक मेरे पास नहीं बची है. तो मैंने अपनी खेती करके कुछ गलत किया है क्या? तो अगर आपके सरकार की तरफ से मुझे कुछ सहायता राशि मिलेगी तो बड़ी कृपा होगी.
जी बिल्कुल, आपको न्याय देने के लिए हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे न्याय के हिसाब से. Now I would like the prosecutor and the defense to have their cross-examinations or arguments, please.
Yes, Your Honor. With your permission, I want to cross-examine the farmer coming to the board.
Sure.
You say you will use sustainable methods, but can you promise that chemical pesticides won't harm animals anymore?
माफ करना जनाब, मुझे इस बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है. वो मार्केट में मिलने वो जो भी दवाइयाँ मिलते हैं हमारे जो उपज को बढ़ाने के लिए, मैं वही इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. लेकिन मैंने मेरे साथियों से सुना है कि कोई जैविक खेती का अभी आया है जो बाजार में आया है. अगर आप मुझे उस बारे में इत्तला करेंगे तो मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
Final arguments.
Your Honor, the evidence is clear. Humans have exploited nature recklessly. If they do not change their ways, entire species, entire ecosystem will disappear forever.
Your Honor, humanity is aware of the mistakes and is taking steps to correct them. We are implementing the conservation programs, creating national park and investing in clean energy. Rather than blame each other, we must work together for a sustainable farming and future. Thank you.
Well, after listening both of the sides, the court is going to make its judgment and the verdict as well. This court acknowledges that both sides have their statements and concerns. Humans must take immediate effective actions to conserve the biodiversity as much as possible. And the animals must recognize that the help the humans will be going on through the time is to undo the disasters what they have created recklessly. Thus, in this courtroom orders 1. Stricter environmental laws to regulate deforestation, pollution, industrial waste that has been created by you and your sites. government and private support for farmers to adopt policies for maximum mitigation and not just merely fake promises of eco-friendly terminology should be done. Collaboration between industrial governments and industrial governments, conservationists to restore the ecosystems in real action should be done. So this quote is just stating few examples, like what we saw in Kerala and in West Bengal, that the elephants were tortured, the pregnant elephants were tortured, they were killed mercilessly. So these things should not be happening. And because of the industrial waste and farming policies, the animals should not be electroculated or they should not die because of choking and poisoning. So there should be mitigation policies, and I ask both of you to have your sides for the mitigation. Thank you.
बच्ची को क्या हो गया है?
अरे अभी निकाल दूंगा जहर बाहर। चल निकल जा जहर बाहर। अरे निकल जा।
रुक जाओ दाई, अम्मा को लेके आता हूँ। इसे वो भी क्या पता कुछ करे। अरे इसे तो कुछ ना हो रहा। अरे बाबा तो कुछ ना कर रहा।
क्या हो गया?
मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ राजस्थान के अलग अलग रंग।
विचार केला आणि तिथेच माझ्या लक्षात असं आलं काही झाले केमिकल खतांमुळे औषधांमुळे घरामध्ये आजार सुरू झाले. मी ठरवलं माझ्या घरातले बंद करायचं. मी संध्याकाळी कुटुंब बसवलं आणि म्हणलं हे सगळं हायब्रिड केलं केमिकल खत बंद करायचं. म्हणजे पारंपरिक
represents the voice of youth and is the outcome of the National Youth Biodiversity Conference 2025, bringing together the collective aspirations, concerns and the solution of young people. The youth delegates engage in a collaborative process to identify challenges, explore solutions and co-develop 9 actionable recommendations. Number 1. Train youth in sustainable practices. Support grassroots organizations to teach young people technical skills for using natural resources wisely and sustainably.
Valedictory. Honorable Governor is having a lot of affection, concern towards the nature. So, first to vote 3. Valedictory yes, Kattad IAS Santosh Jain. Says the power of tribe. May now request Zonali from Tripura. Zonali, she is from North. We will disseminate the information.
We are very happy to share with you how this Hyderabad Declaration, one of the key outcomes was drafted and adopted. So just like international conferences, a lot of discussions and negotiations happened even going till late night. All the student delegates discussed key challenges
on biodiversity, ecological roles, strategic development.
I'm thrilled to be here representing Madhya Pradesh. In last 3 days, we got to learn so many things, meet new people from all over the country. I can say I am definitely taking back some beautiful memories, a knowledge, and some insightful knowledge.
Governor of Telangana, Shri Jishnu Dev Verma sir, for his esteemed presence at our National Youth Biodiversity Conference 2025. His participation added immense value to the event, and I appreciate the time he took for his.
Baba,